Introducing Maxima Air Conditioners, the future of cooling technology. Powered by DC 48 voltage and equipped with double reciprocating inverter compressors, Maxima Air Conditioners utilize a smart three-stage algorithm to maximize efficiency, designed for seamless integration with photovoltaic systems. Maxima Air Conditioners come in 1 ton, 1.5 ton, and 2 ton capacities, ensure reliable cooling for any space. Maxima Air Conditioners consume up to 50% less energy compared to traditional units. Featuring pure copper coils, Maxima Air Conditioners offer superior heat transfer efficiency, strength, and resistance to corrosion. Experience cutting-edge efficiency with the electronic automatic expansion valve, optimizing refrigerant flow for maximum energy savings. Maxima Air Conditioner, redefining comfort, sustainability, and savings. Make the switch today.